in fourth standard.
Okay, good, good. And which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English. My hobby is playing football.
Is to play football. Is to play football. Okay.
Sir, what's your name?
My name is Vipul. You can already read it there. And I am a personality development trainer. Like you, I teach a lot of students in their schools, colleges, and companies as well. And then I'm a trainer at Clappingo. This is what I do. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Do you have any questions for me? Do you want to ask something?
Sir, where do you live?
Where do I live? I live in Uttarakhand. Devbhumi Uttarakhand, as we call it here. Have you heard about Uttarakhand?
No, I have heard about it, but I have never visited.
I have never visited Uttarakhand. Okay. With has, have, or had, we always use third form of the verb. Like in your state, there are more plain areas, right? In Uttarakhand, there are more hilly areas. So there's a very young mountain range over here. And that mountain range is called, do you know the name of that mountain range? Tell me. The biggest mountain range.
Mount Everest.
No, mountain range. That's a peak. And Mount Everest is a part of that mountain range. And when I say you will know it, and that is Himalayas. You must have heard about it.
Yes, in stories I have heard.
In stories. Okay. The Himalayan mountain range. And Mount Everest is a peak that is in the Himalayan range only. It's in Nepal. You know, Uttarakhand shares a border with Nepal also. Also, I'm a big fan of books. I read a lot of books. Do you read books?
Yes, sir, I read.
Your school books or some novels also?
No, sir, I don't have novel books. But my school books, my school's books are story books. Inside are,
okay,
which are yellow color or black color, that is my vocabulary.
Okay, good, good.
That
Now, okay, great. Now, speaking more about celebrities, do you know the meaning of celebrities? Let me just type it. Do you know the meaning of it?
No, sir, I don't know its meaning.
Celebrities mean a person who is very popular or renowned. Okay, renowned people who are known to many people, public figures they are called. So when you say celebrity, yeah, obviously Mr. Narendra Modi is also a celebrity now because he is the Prime Minister of the country. People know him, he is a public figure. Likewise, there are many other celebrities. Sports persons can also be celebrities. You said that you like to play football. Do you like to watch football also? Is there any favorite player of yours?
No, sir, I don't like watching because it's so boring.
Okay. You are too honest, I must say. But have you? Can you tell me a little about some story that you read in the recent past in your school book?
In my school.
Narrate a story.
In my book, there are so many stories. First one, all the chapters are completed. There was a little tortoise who wished to fly in the sky. One day, he lived in a tank. He made some friends. He made friends with two geese who used to come and visit him. Sometimes. He had to leave this city to find another.
Okay.
So what happened? The one said, "No, we can't leave our friend here alone." Then another geese said, "But he can't fly either."
Please continue.
I don't know which one. They were going to find another lake.
Okay.
So then the geese said, "Okay, I have an idea. We can take a stick."
I have an idea.
I have an idea. So the geese asked the tortoise to hold, to hold the stick with his mouth and don't talk. And the two geese were holding the stick and they were flying. But suddenly the tortoise let he start talking because he was so excited. He said, "No, my other friends can't fly." He said. Then he fall down and he died. They were holding while they were flying. Suddenly the tortoise, all the people in the city were shocked and said, "Oh my God." They were saying
shocked.
They were shocked and they were talking to each other. They were saying, "Oh, a flying tortoise."
Flying tortoise.
Then he was listening. He said, "Oh my God, they are talking about me." He died.
Okay. That's sad. But what's the moral of the story?
Moral of the story.
Moral.
My teacher did not told me the moral of the story.
Did not tell me that. Okay, did not tell me. So you have told me everything that happened in the story, correct?
Yes.
Is it true? You have told me the whole story, and you have understood everything that you said, correct?
Yes, sir, I understood.
So yeah, so now you have to just tell me, what do you learn from that story?
That happened to one girl named Jia. She had two friends named Ashwini. Ashwini used to care for Shruti, not for Jia. So Jia said, "You always care for Shruti. Why don't you care for me? I am also your friend."
Okay.
She used.
So that's why. The destiny cannot be changed. Destiny cannot be changed is the moral of the story.
However, how we are, it's better. The tortoise tortoise want to be a bird, but then he could not be a bird. He wanted to become a bird.
We should content with our abilities, right? We should be happy about whatever we have, and destiny cannot be changed. I think that is also a moral that you get from here. One mistake that I am seeing right now, Ritika, is that you're not using second form of verb while you're talking about past tense. While you're narrating a story, you should use started. You said he start laughing, but you'll say he started laughing. Okay? Is it clear?
Laughing.
So this is one mistake. Now tell me one thing. Does your brother also take sessions with this ID?
Sir, I don't have brothers. I have 3 younger sisters.
Okay, so you have written a name Raghuraj / Ritika. Who is your father?
Learn English.
Okay. I'm really sorry. So he also learns English from this platform, correct?
No.
No. Okay. So why is his name mentioned here? Just like that?
Because he also want to learn English. His English is very I think his English is bad.
Okay, but he wants to improve, which is a good thing. He wants to improve, right? Okay, great. This is a very good thing. I'm really liking this conversation with you. Do you have any questions for me? Because we are already reaching towards the end of the session.
No, sir.
No questions. Okay. So you go to school on a daily basis. You're wearing a very beautiful coat. I think this is from your school only. So do you enjoy going to school, or you like online learning?
I like school and online learning both. But now Diwali season is
You can say this. Wait. Let's learn a new idiom here. Now that Diwali is around the corner. Very good. Diwali is around the corner. Okay, use it. Come on. Now that
Diwali is around the corner.
Good.
So, sir, have you cleaned your room?
Actually, the best part is that we shifted to a new house this time. When we entered, we had to get it cleaned. So there was no problem of cleaning this time. And I think we are very fortunate that we did not have to clean it again. Yeah, that was the case. But in the other Diwalis, I have always cleaned my rooms and all the house actually. You have to wash it out, right? Which is a good thing. I think it's good to wash your home. Have you cleaned your room?
I cleaned my room.
You have cleaned your room.